Welcome to Auto Price Channel. Today, we're going to dive into the revival of an iconic masterpiece, the 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe. With its futuristic design, advanced technology, and homage to its legendary heritage, this coupe is sure to turn heads. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle stand out in the modern automotive landscape. The 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe retains the spirit of the original 1960s model, yet offers a sleek, modern twist. Starting with the aerodynamic teardrop-shaped body, the design beautifully blends past and present. The overall aesthetic is sleek and futuristic, paying homage to the iconic DS line while introducing new, modern elements. This design combination reflects not only nostalgia but also the brand's commitment to innovation. Step inside, and the 2025 DS21 Coupe continues to impress with its luxurious, high-tech cabin. The interior combines premium leather and soft-touch materials, reflecting the comfort of the original DS while embracing a digital edge. The dashboard is a minimalist masterpiece, featuring a 12.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates navigation, media, and climate control. The system enhances the driving experience, offering smartphone connectivity and an easy-to-use interface. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe is equipped with a hybrid drivetrain, which combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor. Together, the two produce around 300 horsepower, resulting in a smooth and responsive ride, whether you're cruising city streets or cruising on the highway. With the 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe, Citroën has expertly revived a classic car, blending it with modern technology in a design that still feels revolutionary. The car embodies the brand's efforts to combine its glorious history with forward-thinking innovation. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.